Hello, my name is Miriam Leathan. I'm the Electronic Services Librarian here at Grace College. In this brief screencast, I want to cover classification codes and how you can use them in PsycInfo to find articles about that primary subject. I'm starting on the MA Counselling Research Guide, and as I scroll down, I can find a section about advanced search classification codes. I'm just going to open the APA PsycInfo classification code system to explain what this is all about. So what is a classification code? It is a way of corresponding an article to what its primary subject is. And so PsycInfo has 22 broad categories, and then within that they do have smaller subcategories. So I'm going to concentrate on this area here with a few examples of how you can use these codes when doing searching in PsycInfo. Next, I'm going to open the PsycInfo database, and I'm going to conduct an advanced search. From the advanced search, I can scroll down through these many options and get to classification codes at the bottom. This list is one that you can scroll through, you can browse, or another option is to do a Control F and you can put in a specific code that you identified from the PDF. And here I've got one appertaining to psychotherapy. Click on that to select it, and then click the yellow search button. In this particular example, I have 57,000 results. So you're going to want to make use of the limiters on the left side to make this a more manageable number. So an obvious one would be to adjust the publication date. I can use the slider or enter a date here. And then you can also make use of other limiters such as age. You can use gender, perhaps population, or even testing measures or methodology. Another way that you can use classification codes to do a search is by using the index menu at the top navigation bar. For the Browse and Index, click on the drop-down option and choose Classification. And I'm going to look for cognitive therapy. And then click Browse. Click on the checkbox, then the Add button, and run the search. And here I've got 22,000 results. So again, I want to use the limiters to make this a more manageable number and use these to make it targeted for your research area. You can also review your search history here, and you can click on View Results to be taken to the bottom of the screen to look through the results list. Or you can make modifications by adding keywords or key phrases here and running a new search. I do hope that this has given you a couple of pathways for using classification codes to get relevant articles. If you do have any questions, please email library@grace.edu. Thank you.